which among the following statement is correct? Option A, gymnosperms are both homosporous and heterosporous. Gymnosperms are a group of seed-producing plants that do not produce flowers or fruits. Now, gymnosperms are heterosporous, meaning they produce two types of spores. That is the microspores, that is a male spores, and the megaspores, that is a female spores. Now, coming to homosporous plants, they produce only one type of spores. So that means the first option is incorrect. Option B, Salvinia, Ginkgo and Pinus all are gymnosperms. This is incorrect because Salvinia is a type of fern, not gymnosperms, whereas Ginkgo and Pinus are gymnosperms. Option C, Sequoia is one of the tallest trees. This is true. We know that sequoia trees, particularly coast redwood sequoia, are among the tallest trees in the world, with some reaching heights over 300 feet. So that means the correct answer is option C. Option D, the leaves of gymnosperms are not well adapted to the extremes of climate. This is incorrect because we know that the gymnosperms are very well adapted to the extreme climates. Their needle-like leaves reduce water loss and they are well suited to cold, dry environments. So the answer is option C.